Hi watch people, we are back. I'm Nelson. Today we are going to review Seiko 5 SNXS79 automatic classic watch. This is one of the best Seiko 5 watches that I love. If you start to collect watches, Seiko 5 is a good place to start with. They have more than 1,000 of models. You can select which type of model that you love or you like. This particular model, SNXS79, with a sunburst grey dial, dark grey dial, which is so beautiful, wonderful to look at. They have a day and date display, which is very nice, and it's very affordable, reliable, extremely versatile watch. You can change the strap if you want. It can be a dress watch, sport watch, versatile watch. The diameter is a unisex size, 37 mm. Thickness is 11. With a back display, see-through. Movement is 7S26, which is very reliable. It consists 40 hours power reserve. The water resistance is 30 meter. It can be yours everyday watch. It's suitable for men and women. It's a unisex size. The dial is so beautiful. Sunburst dark grey. Let's try on. My wrist is 6.5 inch. Good looking watch. It's one of the most beautiful dial in Seiko 5. This dial, if you wear at outdoor, you can look at the sunburst. Very, very nice. So, if you like it, you can look, see whether you can find. It's about 100 to 150 USD. Now it's getting hard to find. So please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.